Welcome to WAEC 2018 practical. What we have here is the 2018 map, a continuation from the question. We have to calculate the gradient between the 2 points A and B. What is gradient? The gradient is simply the slope of the ground. The formula is vertical interval divided by horizontal equivalent. To get your vertical interval, you look at the map. The point A is at a contour line. Trace it carefully, 850 feet. Point B is at a contour line, 1100 feet. The difference between the two contours, 1100 minus 850, will give us 250 feet. Now, for simplicity, we convert this 250 feet to meters. 1 feet is equal to 0.30 meter. So I multiply this by 0.30 to get 75 meters. We have gotten our vertical interval. Now let's move on to horizontal equivalent. How do we get our horizontal equivalent? The first thing we do is we measure the distance between the point A and B. The distance between the point A and B. We measure it, and which is what? 12.5 centimeter. From this point A to this point B is 12.5 centimeter. Now we have to relate it to the scale on the map. On the map, 1 centimeter is equal to what? 500 meters. Remember, 50,000 centimeters is the same with 500 meters. On the map is 50,000 centimeter, but for simplicity, I want the unit of the vertical interval and the horizontal equivalent to be the same. So I converted that 50,000 centimeter to meter by dividing by 100. So 500 meters is the same thing with 50,000 centimeters. Now, the 12.5 centimeter I measured from point A to B, I relate to the scale. 12.5 times 500 give us 6,250 meters. That means on the ground, this point A and B on the ground, that is horizontal equivalent, is 6,250 meters. Now let's use the formula now. Vertical interval is 75 meters, horizontal equivalent 6,250 meters. Now we divide it, we simplify it. 75 cancels 75, we have 1. 75 cancels 6250, we have 83. So our gradient is 1 all over 83. Now what does this imply? This implies that for every 83 meters distance covered, there will be a 1 meter rise in elevation. Thank you. Please remember to like and subscribe and expect more.